Today we're going to be talking about AI, the Tower of Babel 2.0, and AI for your law firm. I'd be a sorry ethics guy if I didn't read my disclaimers. Prior results do not guarantee a future or similar outcome, and no attorney-client relationship is formed, and this material does not constitute and should not be considered legal advice. I'll do my best to keep an eye on the chat, but feel free to interrupt at any point or drop a question in the chat or hit me up afterwards. All my contact information is available. A little bit about me. I am the law firm general counsel. I defend lawyers sued for legal malpractice and facing ethics issues. I serve as outside general counsel to small to mid-sized law firms, and I'm an attorney admitted in New York and Connecticut. I recently founded a law firm in January. Can't believe it's already May. I am a founding partner and the general counsel at Cohen Vaughan. Again, this is for educational purposes. As an ethics guy, I like to, beat that dead horse quite a bit, but, bear with me. All right, so I always like to give the takeaway before I start talking. It helps keep me on track. It helps, make sure I actually deliver what yeah, there we go. I have a four-pronged approach to law firm risk management, and I think you can mix and match the four prongs, but I like to approach it from intel, systems, plans, and teams. And really, the idea is intel, sort of stepping back, thinking big picture about your practice, your clients, your risks, out of all the known and unknown risks we could possibly imagine, really thinking about your risks and what your likely exposure is. And then today, I want to talk about having a laser focus on your pain points with the use of AI, with the ethical use of AI in your practice. Systems, and the systems are really, once you've identified your specific risks, your client-specific risks, addressing those big risks with the biggest return on investment. I always say a perfect system that's too cumbersome to use isn't as good as like a decent or even half-decent system that's very easy to use. So I always strive for simplicity and ease of use, especially if it's something that you aren't going to be using, some of your people are. Then the easier you can make it to use, the better. So a decent system that's actually used is way better than a perfect system that's just too complicated, too cumbersome. That's just the reality of it. I think today, the big takeaway for AI is writing a use policy. Whether you have a 3,000 lawyer law firm or you're a true solo and you don't even have like an assistant, you don't even use FedEx, you bring everything yourself, it doesn't matter. I think it's really worthwhile to type out a brief, realistic use policy.